Hey, just to let y'all know, we do a video or a short every day, so go and subscribe. Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
Hey, what's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go and give the video a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just 100 likes. Hey, help us out. Help us out. But now that we got that out the way, you know what it's about because he's back. Yes, sir. Yeezy. Hey, Special K. He's back.
Yes, sir.
For all those that's hating on them, hey, trust and believe. These two right here, these two sneakerheads, hey, we support Special K in all ways. So welcome back, my brother. Welcome back. But yeah, they got that raffle open up today on those Yeezy slides. I did get mine in. So hey, drop us a comment below and let me know if you got your raffle in, right? And that was on the Confirm app. So check us out. But
Yes, sir.
listen, I know who did. I know who did cop some Yeezys. Hey, my
Yes, sir.
brother.
Bam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, all day. Hey, one thing,
Too,
these
too,
two,
too
yeah,
easy.
too easy. Hey, it's too easy for Yeezy. Uh-oh, not them 350s.
350s, baby.
Ooh, no, he did. No, he didn't. Yeah. Hey, drop us a comment below and let us know, hey, if any of y'all copped any.
Of course, these are my size
Okay.
10.
Yes, sir.
Let's see what we got.
Mm.
Uh-oh.
Open
These
them up.
actually came out a while back, but I just haven't opened them. Bam!
Oh,
These carbon belugas did come out when their first Yeezy drop.
yes,
And this
sir.
is, man, they look better in hand. I'm not gonna lie. This is the first time I'm actually seeing these in hand.
Okay.
You can't really tell on the camera. I can see, but this is a really brilliant red or orange, and it's really making the shoe pop. I'm rocking these, man. I'm digging these. You know,
Hey,
I'm shocked right now. Like
no,
this is blowing me away right now. I
yeah,
think I'm actually gonna keep these. This is a
no.
nice pair of shoes.
Hey, hey, hey. But when you put them on, they go really sell you right there, my brother. It really go
Oh, you
sell
know
you.
they comfortable now.
Yeah,
You already
yeah.
know they comfortable.
Right. Now, how quick did you get those? Was it a quick turnaround?
Not Adidas, they always send very quickly. Like some days, like I heard some people get theirs like next day, but usually no later than Thursday of the if like if the route for Saturday, by at least no later than Thursday you're gonna get them. But Adidas does a really good job about shipping out their shoes. I never had any complaints. I never lost any shoes from Adidas. I'm not sure who they use as their carrier, but I have never heard anyone said, "Hey, they stole my Yeezy."
Yeah.
Uh,
Hey, drop us a comment below because I've heard that before that they do it very well for shipping their shoes out to you. So drop us a comment below and let us know if that's true on all ends. But at least on our end, it's true. Yes, sir. You loving those, aren't you?
Yeah, I actually am. This is like I'm really like this. I didn't expect to like these. They didn't. The pictures don't do justice to these. I'm not gonna lie. Like I don't know if you can tell if that camera's picking it up or not, but that red is popping. Turning
Okay.
down the lights because I think it was too much, but they're red.
Oh,
They're red or
yeah,
orange, whatever it is. That orange. I mean, it's popping, popping, popping,
yeah.
and it's and I love gray shoes, and this is like a gray texture. It's a gray. I don't know, you see like the tiger stripes right there? It's like a gray.
Hmm.
I love that. I love shoes that are not simple. And I do love color. Look at that. Look at that. Bam. Just glow in the dark.
Yeah.
And it just on that gray, it just make the shoe pop, the stripe. This is a
Hmm.
beautiful shoe. I'm amazed. I'm shocked. I'm speechless right now.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, well, let me talk for you, my brother. Hey, Special K, salute, Special K. And if you like content like this, check out that video right there.
Like we say for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.